forward to that coming up at 6. Right now, ABC 7 business commentator Richard Stern joins us, and on the first day of a new month, some mixed results today on Wall Street.
Mixed results, but as Bob said, it was probably a better day to be on the golf course because you got off and you found out the Dow was up 37 points, no big deal. Well, guess what? We were up 160 at the high of the day, down 130 at the low of the day, so more than just a stroll on the golf course, I would say. You've seen a lot going on, lots of earnings reports coming out and more still coming. We also saw a rise in interest rates today, which frankly is not terribly helpful for the stock market. The 10-year U.S. government bond, which is really a benchmark of interest rates, is trading now at 2.77%. That's the highest we've seen since 2014. Do remember the Fed met just yesterday and did not change anything about interest rates, but 3 interest rate hikes during the year is definitely expected. Let's take a look and see how we finished the day. The Dow Jones Industrial Average there you see up a little over 37 points, 0.14%, closing at 26,186.71. That on volume of 807 million shares. The NASDAQ down for the day almost 26 points, more than 1/3 of 1%, closing at 7,385.86. That on volume of 1,906 million shares. The S&P didn't do much at all, but it was down 6/100ths, less than 2 points at 2,821.98. Well, yes, it's the 1st of February, but the month of January, not only in the books, in the record books, it was quite a month. Some statistics for you. For the month, the S&P 500 index up 5.6%, the Dow up 5.8%, the NASDAQ up 7.4%. That is in 1 month. The best month we have seen since March of 16, the best January we have seen since 1997. And you ready for this? The Dow and the S&P have now been up for 10 months in a row. The last time that happened was in 1959, a mere 59 years ago. So I guess we got a pretty good run going here.
Good start to the new year.
Absolutely.
Well, what can we expect for tomorrow?
Well, after the close today, we had earnings from no less than Amazon, Apple, that kind of ring a bell, and something called Google. Well, all 3 of them announced earnings after the close, so tomorrow at the open, you could see some real excitement, definitely.
All right. Thank you so much, Richard, for
You're
joining us.
very welcome.